Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Vader. Let's get in there, let's draw Darth Vader. Full body pose, going to have his hand coming up this way, cape swirling down here. So let's go up to the top, let's draw that helmet area. So I'm going to go from probably about that point there. It's going to draw a little line like that. Then what I'm going to do is go to the right, let's draw the helmet. So I'm going to go down there for the dome part. And then what I will do is just kick it out a bit there, the side edge of it. Then on the other side, do the same thing on the left. So curve it down like that. And then what I'm going to do here is kick it out again. So just sort of kick it out this way like that. Then what I can do is go to the center here. About this point, I'm going to draw a line about here, and that's going to signify where the helmet ends and sort of like the brow areas kick up. So just going to draw a nice curve up this way and then downwards like that. Just taper it out at the end there. And on this side, I'm going to bring my pen up, sort of draw that sort of eyebrow element in. Bring your pen down like that, kick it in that way. It's a bit of a more of a diagonal. Got a couple of brows, sort of make it look a little bit more evil. So these, I guess they kind of come upwards like that, sort of like, give like a surprise element. And then in the central bit here, I'm just gonna sort of draw upwards that central bit like that, okay? Okay, next up, we're gonna do the bridge of the nose. So just bring your pen down along the side like that. And then what I can do is draw the eye visors in. So Vader's eye sort of comes down this way, kicks up into the helmet, and this way sort of comes around here again, and it kicks up to the helmet area. Just sort of try and round those off a bit, so a bit similar looking, like that. Just underneath, it kind of kicks down, so just almost like bags under his eyes under there. And then I can go in and draw, I kind of think that famous sort of triangular part in the center where his mouth would be. So I'm gonna get my pen, just draw a little curve up either side like that. So almost like the little nose element. Then what I can do from that is come outwards, a nice diagonal pace, like that. A couple of little circles at the end there, and then we just bring a line in, cross. Now I'm gonna do a few little lines kicking up in here, sort of like a grill element, starting to look a bit more Vader-y now. And then his mouth goes along here, and then it gets sort of like the jaw and the cheekbone sort of kicking outwards and upwards with the helmet, so they kind of come up like that, and I guess like up like that. There's a couple of little sort of signifiers in there, so they just sort of come down and along. Same here, sort of come down and along, sort of make him look a bit more skull-like. I'm just going to pop in a couple of little extra little elements, almost like a triangular bit within this point in the helmet there. Just get the neck in, so the neck's going to come down, sort of down like that, and probably just down a little bit here. What that means is I can just kick in with the pen on the edge there. Okay. Now, just on the eyes, I just want to kind of get that sort of Vader light sort of kicking off them. So I'm just going to draw a nice little sort of rounded curve there, and then probably one about here, just on those eye points, just to make it look a bit more Vader-like. Okay, so I've got this sort of chunky neck element. It almost sort of swings below. I'm just going to pop in a little bit underneath there. He has a chain where his cape is, so I'm going to just sort of signify that along here, just do some little bouncy lines there. And what that means from that point is we can now sort of pop his shoulder in. So around here, got a cape on the shoulder, so bring your pen round like so, and then this comes downwards here and back round like that and in there. And then his chest area is here, so it sort of continues downwards this way to his belt area here. So on the belt area, I'm going to draw a nice sort of chunky rectangle there. Another one right by it, so leave a little gap. I'm just going to pop another kind of chunky belt pack on. Join those two up with a lighter line in the middle, and then we can continue kind of this way. Just curve the pen around a little bit for the belt and up there, and that's the belt area. It's got another little pack. So this is like the front of the belt, and there's got another little pack off here. So I'm just going to draw a nice sort of tapered rectangle, a couple of lines there. Now I'm going to come up, draw the inner part of the back torso area here. So this comes up, kicks up this way, curve your pen up like that. And I've got his hand area up here. So from this point, first of all, I'm going to bring my pen out from the chain element, bring it up to that neck area, to the edge of that mask, to about here. And then the rest of this cape sort of swings around that way. Now his arm sort of comes out from about here, so I'm just going to draw in a couple of little curves there. Then I'm going to come outwards here where his elbow is, sort of really kick it out here, bend it in. And from sort of this point, his arm's sort of here, and then we're going to draw a curve around here where his glove is and in. From here, I'm going to come upwards like that. Just draw the palm of his hand, next part to the thumb. The thumb sort of comes up here in a pincer-like movement. And then kind of come back up here. And I've got one finger coming up this way. An oblong there, an oblong underneath that like this, and then this last finger sort of around, another little oblong around there. Just sort of wiggle those and join those up, and we can just draw the edge of the hand there. Then there's final fingers up here, so it sort of comes upwards here, sort of goes into that pincer look, and out and back in there. So just go around that again just to block it off a bit. There we go. And we've got the glove there. Now, what we can do is kind of draw the outline of the cape here. So from the elbow here, what I'm going to do is come downwards like this. I'm going to draw the inside of the cape, so swing the pen around, curve it around to about there. And then we're going to come back around to here. From the top up here, again, I'm going to just add a little bit of a line. Come downwards here, swing it out, taper it in, and join it up there. And what I can do now is just draw this lower leg part with a lightsaber on. So see a little bit of the lower sort of, it's almost like his robes, I guess. They sort of come down this way. Then I've got my sort of circular element. I can just pop two lines, another curve. Another couple of lines there, and we can just draw in that lightsaber element around there. Now we get to here, the robe here, we're just gonna do another little swing about there, maybe just add a little taper there. And then his other robe comes down from, I guess the inner part comes down from this corner point here, so just draw a nice curve down to about here, and that sort of tapers out from this point, taper it out, swing it around and inwards there. And then this cape part of the torso robe, swing it in, probably just bring it into about that point. I've got a little bit of his arm sort of poking around here, so it's going to sort of draw that to that point there. And then his glove comes out, bring it down, and we just have a little hint of his hand there, maybe just a little gap with a thumb. And then we can draw the rest of the sort of the main cape. It kind of pops out from that hand, swooshes out like that, down, bring your pen around and in there. Okay, so we've got that really nice sort of flowing robe going on. There's a bit of a pad here where the robe comes down, so just a nice curve like that. That's sort of filled in, so just a couple of little hints of that. There's a leg just coming inwards this way, just sort of draw a leg there. And the other leg comes down, I guess, sort of this way, so I'm just gonna bring my line probably from about this point. Nice line down here. And then what I'm gonna do, there's some armor down here, so I'm just gonna bring my pen up, move a bit higher, bring it along, it's like the knee armor, down to about here, just a couple of curves there, and then his boot goes to that point there, and then it comes down this way here. The foot will come sort of down here, around, curve that around to a heel, and up. There's just a little hint of another robe under here, so I'm just gonna draw a little curve there, swing it around and up like that, and we can just finish that shoe off. The armor, I think, goes beyond that like that, and then the other foot is about here, so I'm gonna bring my pen down there, curve it around like so, up and in, and then just a nice little curve there. That's the main outer part of Vader done. Let's just go in, just draw a little bit here in the chest element, a few little bits of detail. So the top armor, suppose it curves around this way like that, and then tapers down here. It's a nice little line in the center of the chest, and it sort of curves back upwards this way. And from that point now, we've got like a couple of lines, so a couple of lines here, and then pop a couple there, and then it just sort of 1, 2, 1, 2 there. Just get those lines in. It's got his control pack on his sort of stomach area, so I'm gonna draw a rectangle. Line there, come down here, along like that, join it up, maybe just give a nice hint of an edge. And in there he's got those, sort of that green button, that red button, so another couple of rectangles. There's like 3 little rectangular points like that, little switches, so 3 little rectangles there. He's got like a long rectangle there, another long rectangle here, little button in there. And then we can just sort of, I think his robe sort of comes up sort of that way there, and then we can just sort of pop in a few little black lines of detail there. Around his glove up here, just a few little lines. And the same goes with his arm, we'll just give a little hint of it swinging out there. Same thing on this arm, just a few little swings, and then we can just sort of curve it around where he's got his hand element. As we get to the legs, I think we sort of want to just signify the inner part of the leg there, and then we can just sort of draw in some little curves like that. Maybe a few little edging points just around sort of these cape areas around here, around the boots. And actually on his belts, I'm gonna put in the middle bit a line in there and just curve it around like so. Maybe a couple little lines in there, little switches on this one, a few little buttons going on around there. Same on this point here as well. Cool, just on the edge here, I'm just gonna sort of let the light sort of bounce off those edge bits again, so maybe just a few little more hints on the picture of maybe light bouncing off there. And then I think what I'll do is just get the chunky marker, just gonna go right into the back element of this and sort of really just fill in, block in a bit of this. Vader's cloak and clothing is predominantly very dark grey and black, so I'm probably gonna end up colouring that in later, but it's just nice to have a little bit of ink going on. Maybe this point, just continue that line there, just fill it in here, just makes our black and white drawing look really effective. It means you don't have to 100% colour it in. fill it in with a chunkier pen. There we go. And then maybe just sort of where we've got this cloak, we can just sort of swing down a bit of a darker element there. Maybe just along here as well. Maybe the bottom of this cloak might just pan out a bit. Maybe the edge of this cloak is a bit thicker. So go up to the edge there. And then in the helmet area, let's fill this bit in. It's a very dark element of Vader. That's quite nice now. What I might do is just go back around some of these elements with a black pen, sort of just fill in those edges. Maybe some of these bigger outline parts, we can just fill those bits in. And this bit in here, I think I'll fill that in dark as well. And then just get my original Sharpie back and maybe just go around that edge. A few little hatching lines might be quite nice, sort of down here. Just a few, sort of adds to the effect of the shadows. Coming in from this side. And his lightsaber, I think, would just sort of fill in a couple of these elements, a bit more sort of looking darker. Maybe around here as well, just fill in there, just where their leg is. Just a few of these sort of little pointers. Maybe here. Add that on that neck area, maybe just fill in a bit more around there. Maybe just block in a little bit where this cape is. And then possibly let's fill in sort of these little areas as well. And that helmet, just a couple of little lines. Maybe just block in a couple on the hands there. And then we can just sort of curve around a little bit. Just a nice little bit of hatching going on, maybe where I feel like it might just need a bit more. There we go, that adds that nice effect to our Vader. That's it, I might go in and colour that now. There's Darth Vader from Star Wars, also featuring in Fortnite as a skin. Let me know what you think in the comments, let me know who I can draw next, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.